Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's beginner's video I have a 2024 Chrysler Pacifica and I will show you how to add the windshield washer fluid. This video will apply to these minivans made from 2017 all the way up to 2026. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now this is actually quite easy to do. The reservoir is located right here, and to add the fluid you just want to remove the cap, and yeah, that's it. Mine is actually completely full, but I will still demonstrate how to do it. You will need a funnel so you don't make a mess. You will insert a funnel here and then you will just add the fluid until you top it up, and here you can see once this level rises up to here, that means it's full. One more tip, it's always a good idea in the winter to use winter rated washer fluid, just because if you use summer fluid in the winter and it gets really cold, the fluid can freeze in the reservoir and then you will have a problem because you won't be able to use the windshield washer fluid, and you will have to warm up the vehicle or take it to a warm shop so that the fluid unfreezes. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.